Country of origin, United States. Brand new in the box. Installation instructions included. Package dimensions: 12.38 L by 11.5 W by 2.75 H. Meets or exceeds OEM performance requirements. Cloyes utilizes the latest in design and material technology, ensuring quiet and maintenance-free experience. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I got and installed the complete kit. All fitting 100%. I'm my car, Cady, CTS, 3.6L 2009. The check engine lamp turn off. The engine running great. No noises. I am happy with it.